Let us find out the answers of first terminal examination. The first question is, write the arithmetic sequence with first term 2 and common difference 5. What is the 11th term of this sequence? Here the first term is 2 and common difference is 5. So the second term is 2 plus 5 or 7. Third term is 7 plus 5 or 12. So the sequence can be written as 2, 7, 12, etc. Now we have to find the 11th term. When we add 10 times common difference to the first term, we get 11th term, or 11th term equal to first term plus 10 times common difference. Here first term is 2 and common difference is 5. So we can write 2 plus 10 into 5. Now 10 into 5 is 50, so it can be written as 2 plus 50, or that is equal to 52. That is the 11th term of this sequence is 52. This can be done in another way also. Some of you may be using this equation. 11th term is equal to dn plus f minus d. Here d is 5, f is 2. So we can write it as 5 into 11 plus 2 minus 5. Here n is 11 because we are finding the 11th term. That is 55 plus 2 minus 5. Now 55 plus 2 is 57. So this can be written as 57 minus 2, or that is equal to 52. That means the 11th term of this sequence is 52. Second question. A, B, C, D are points on a circle with center O. Angle D equal to 40 degree. What is the measure of angle AOC? What is the measure of angle ABC? Let us look at the figure at first. Consider arc ABC. Angle AOC is the central angle of arc ABC, and angle D is the angle made by arc ABC on its alternate arc. Now we know the angle made by any arc on the alternate arc is half its central angle. Therefore, angle D is half angle AOC, or angle AOC is 2 times angle D. But angle D is 40 degree. Therefore, angle AOC equal to 80 degree. Now we need to find angle ABC. Look at arc ABC. Angle ABC is an angle on arc ABC, and angle D is an angle on its alternate arc. And we know any pair of angles on alternate arcs are supplementary. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Angle ABC equal to 180 minus angle D. But we know angle D is 40 degree. Therefore, angle ABC equal to 140 degree. Third question. When each side of a square is reduced by 3 meters, the area becomes 64 square meters. Find the side of the original square. Here we want to find the side of the original square. Let it be x. Now what is the side of the new square? It is obtained by reducing the side by 3 meters. Therefore the side of the new square is x minus 3 meters. Now given that the area of the new square is 64 square meters, but we know area of the new square is x minus 3 whole square. So we can say x minus 3 whole square equal to 64. Now let us take square root on both sides. So we get x minus 3 equal to plus or minus 8. Now we can split this into two equations. X minus 3 equal to 8 or x minus 3 equal to minus 8. Now taking minus 3 on the other side, we can write x equal to 8 plus 3 or x equal to minus 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11 and minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. So we can write x equal to 11 or x equal to minus 5. Now what is x? It is the side of a square. It cannot be negative. So side of the square is 11 meters. Fourth question. The area of the rectangle in the figure is 14 square centimeters. What is the area of the shaded triangle? What is the probability of putting a dot without looking to be within the triangle? Let us look at the figure. Here, the length of the rectangle and base of the triangle are same, and height of the triangle is equal to the breadth of the rectangle. Therefore, the area of the triangle is half the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is 14 centimeters square. Therefore, area of the shaded triangle is 7 centimeters square. Now, probability of getting the dot within the triangle is area of the triangle by area of the rectangle. That is 7 by 14. Simplifying, we will get 1 by 2. That is the probability of getting the dot to be within the triangle is 1 by 2. The 6th and 11th tens of an arithmetic sequence are 38 and 73. Find the first step. Write the algebraic expression of the sequence. It's for 3 months. Given that 6th term is 38 and 11th term is 73, what is the difference between 11th term and 6th term? It is 5 times common difference. That is 73 minus 30 equal to 5d. 73 minus 30 is 35. Therefore, 35 equal to 30. Or d equal to 35 by 5. That is d equal to 7. Or the common difference of this sequence is 7. Now, let me find out first term from 6th term. When we subtract 5 times common difference from 6th term, we will get first term. That is, first term equal to 6th term minus 5 times common difference. Here the 6th term is 30 and common difference is 7. So we get 30 minus 5 into 7 or 38 minus 35. That is equal to 3. That means the first term of the sequence is 3. Now let us find the algebraic expression. Xn equal to dn plus f minus d. D is 7, f is 3. So we can rewrite it as 7n plus 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So we can write it as 7n minus 4. That is the algebraic expression of the sequence is 7n minus 4. Sixth question. The vertices of a triangle are points on a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Two of its angles are 80 degree and 50 degree. Draw the triangle. Given that two angles are 80 degree and 50 degree, therefore the corresponding central angles are 160 degree and 100 degree. Let us first draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Take the compass. Take 3 centimeter in the compass. Now draw a circle. Now draw one radius. any one radius. First angle is 80 degree, so let us take 160 degree at the center. Now the second angle is 50 degree, so we are going to take 100 degree at the center. Taking 100 degree, draw another radius. Now it is enough to join the ends of the radius. Join like this. Again join like this. Again join like this. So this green triangle is the required triangle. Since this angle is 160 degree, this angle is 80 degree. This angle is 100 degree, so this angle is 50 degree. Seventh question. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 3 centimeters, BC equal to 4 centimeters, angle B equal to 90 degree. If a circle is drawn with AC as diameter, the position of the point B is inside the circle, outside the circle, on the circle. What is the circumradius of the triangle ABC? First of all, let us draw the triangle ABC. Since angle B is 90 degree, it's a right angled triangle. Given that AB is 3 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter. Now when we draw a circle with AC as diameter, where is the position of B? Since B is 90 degree, it is on the circle. Now we need to find the circumradius of triangle ABC. We know it is a right angle triangle, so the center of the circumcircle is the midpoint of AC. That is, AC is the diameter of the circumcircle. So let us find AC at first. It's a right angle triangle and AC is the hypotenuse. We know hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. Therefore, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 3 and BC is 4. So we can write it as 3 square plus 4 square. Now 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So we can rewrite it as 9 plus 16 and that is equal to 25. AC square is 25. Therefore AC equal to 5 centimeter. That is, the diameter of the circumcircle is 5 centimeter. So the circumradius is half of it. That is 2.5 centimeters. Eighth question. Find the sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 20. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. plus 60. 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus etc. plus 62. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 20. We know sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Here we have to find sum of first 20 natural numbers. So it can be written as 20 into 21 by 2. Now 20 and 2 can be simplified. 20 by 2 is 10. So it can be written as 10 into 21 and that is equal to 210. That is sum of first 20 natural numbers equal to 210. Now the second part, 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. plus 60. 3 is 3 into 1, 6 is 3 into 2, 9 is 3 into 3 and lastly 60 is 3 into 20. So 3 is a common factor and we can take 3 outside and we can write 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 20. Now look at the bracket. It is sum of first 20 natural numbers. We have already got it as 210. So we can write it as 3 into 210 and that's 6 equal to 630. Now the third part, 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus etc. plus 62. 5 can be written as 3 plus 2. 8 can be written as 6 plus 2. 11 can be written as 9 plus 2. And lastly, 62 can be written as 60 plus 2. Now from each bracket, I am going to take the first term, that is 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. plus. Now take the second term, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus etc. plus 2. Now look at the first bracket, 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. plus 60. We got it as 630. Now how many 2's are there? There are 20 terms and each term contains 2. So there are 20 2's. It can be written as 630 plus 40 or that is equal to 670. Ninth problem. A bag contains red and green beads. Total number of beads is 18. The probability of getting a red bead from the bag is 2 by 3. What is the probability of getting a green bead? How many red beads are there in the bag? How many green beads are there in the bag? There are only red and green beads and the total probability is always 1. So the probability of getting a green bead is 1 minus probability of getting a red bead. That is 1 minus 2 by 3 and that is equal to 1 by 3. Or we can understand 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 equal to 1. So probability of getting a red bead is 2 by 3 and therefore probability of getting green bead is 1 by 3. Now we have to find number of red beads. Let it be x. Then what is the probability of getting a red bead? Number of red beads by total number of beads. That is x by 18. And given that the probability of getting a red bead is 2 by 3. So we can say x by 18 equal to 2 by 3. Now let us cross multiply. 3 into x equal to 2 into 18. To get x, let us take 3 on the other side. So we can write x equal to 2 into 18 by 3. Now 18 and 3 can be simplified. 6 3's are 18. So we can write 2 into 6 and that is equal to 12. Therefore number of red beads equal to 12. Now let us take the third part, number of green beads. Number of green beads equal to total number of beads minus number of red beads. That is 18 minus 12 and that is equal to 6. So the number of green beads equal to 6. 10th question. 3, 8, 13 extra is an arithmetic sequence. Will the difference between any two terms of this sequence be 60? Why? Check whether 116 is a term of this sequence. The sequence is 3, 8, 13 etc. What is the common difference? Second term minus first term. That is 8 minus 3 or 5. Now the difference between any two terms of the sequence is a multiple of the common difference 5. Now look at 60. It's also a multiple of 5. So it can be the difference of two terms of this sequence. Now the second part, we have to check whether 116 is a term of this sequence. When 3 is divided by 5, the remainder is 3. When 8 is divided by 5, again the remainder is 3. When 13 is divided by 5, again the remainder is 3. That means when each term of the sequence is divided by the common difference 5, the remainder is 3. Now look at 116, when it is divided by 5, the remainder is 1. That means it cannot be a term of this sequence. 11th question. In the figure, angle AEC equal to 50 degree, angle ABC equal to 130 degree, angle D equal to 50 degree. Angle EAB plus angle ECB equal to dash. Prove that ABCD is a cyclic pentagon. Let us look at the figure. Now look at the quadrilateral ABCE. In that quadrilateral, angle B plus angle E equal to 180 degree, and therefore the sum of the remaining two angles is also equal to 180 degree. That is, angle EAB plus angle ECB equal to 180 degree. So we can say ABCE is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now look at the quadrilateral ABCD. Angle B is 130, angle D equal to 50. Therefore, sum of one pair of opposite angles is 180. We can say ABCD is also a cyclic quadrilateral. Now ABCE is cyclic, ABCD is also cyclic. The 3 points A, B, C are common. Now look at E and D. The angle E and angle D are equal. So they are on the same arc. So there is a circle which passes through the points A, B, C, D and E, and therefore ABCDE is a cyclic pentagon.